What do you do with your time? Giving all your money to charity, and I guess that sounds just fine, but I'm wondering if you got a couple more shots. Maybe you can, I don't know, crack a laptop. Oh, do it as a favor to me. Do it for the kids, do it for charity, yeah, do it for the HPA. Oh, I don't really care, just do it today. I'm giving you absolute creative freedom. Maybe you could write up a screenplay or a prequel musical for Broadway, or collaborate on a comic with Joss Whedon, or a miniseries for the BBC. Any of that sounds good to me. I suggest to avoid cartoons or giving Fox a chance to cancel you. And after considering this one pretty carefully, please don't make an MMORPG, cause that would totally destroy my productivity. So OJ, get right.